How to add nickname on Facebook. It's pretty quick and easy. So before starting the video, subscribe our YouTube channel, hit the bell icon so you can receive the notification of next video. Do like, comment and share as well. Without wasting the time, let's jump in your Facebook and make sure that you have a latest version of Facebook. Just click on that three lines and then click on the gear option at the very top of your screen, just right to your search bar. Now you have to go to your personal and account information, and then you can easily change your you can add your nickname on your Facebook account. Just click on personal and account information. Then you have to go to your name at the very top and then scroll down until you find here the other names option. At the bottom of your screen, you can see the other names option. Just click on that one and you can add your nickname here. Just click on that one. First, type on name type. If you want to add your nickname, just enter the nickname here and then type your nickname in front of the name. Here I have added. If you want this name on your profile or the top of your profile, just check mark this option, show at top of profile, and then hit the save button at the bottom of your screen, the blue save button. Just click on that one and here it's done. Just get out of here, go to your profile icon and you can see your nickname just right to your username on your profile. Hope it helps. If you have any question, let me know in the comments below. If not, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care, bye, and thanks for watching.